What's up, man? What's going on? Hope I'm not late. You guys, you got space cleared up for me here? Yeah. Oh man, cleaned up and everything. This is the guy I was telling you guys about. This is Henry from Central Tire. He takes care of me. I've been coming here for a few years. He always hooks me up with good used tires. And generally they're takeoffs from Mercedes or something because he knows I drive BMWs. But come over here to Central Tire, guys. Henry will hook you guys up. I'll leave the link down in the description for their Instagram and for their location for the one he's at. He's hooking us up with a tire for the Conseil wheels. We're gonna get those unboxed while we're here. Since I haven't shown you guys that yet, we'll get them unboxed and he's gonna show us what tires we're putting on the Conseil wheels.
Conseil is a sub-brand of Raceline, a well-known and loved truck brand for many years, but Conseil is bringing something new to the market, which is a young, motorsports-inspired, enthusiastic brand that's ready for drift, track, street, stance.
I'm ready to party.
Whatever people want to do. People like you, yeah. So this right here is what most wheels start off as in the forge line. This right here has the front side operation completed on it, but here on the back side you can see what this metal really starts off as. This is a 6061 forging, made in USA, Oxnard, California. We buy these by the batch, and we turn them right here in-house.
Check it out for you guys.
Freshly machined, drilled, powder coated, ready to go. And let's pick out a lit.
Room temperature air. Takes it right down. Give it a few minutes and you'll be able to actually see the gap shrink. The center and ensure good run out.
Oh,
we can straighten up the center in a hoop as it's cooling because you couldn't do this by your hand.
Very important. This is very important. Do not install the wheels or the tires on the wheels if you want to return them. Yeah, we're not returning these, so yeah. And we're gonna have to find some good placement for these decals. Yeah, it's gonna look really nice on here. Yep. All right, guys, we are on a bit of a time crunch. We have an appointment over at the tire shop, and but I gotta see how these things look. Got to. Oh man, they're packaged so nice. You guys ready? Here we go. Oh, more packaging. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at that finish. I don't know if this picks up on camera, but these are the gloss gunmetal wheels. I'm gonna see if I can pull one out. Get it in the sun for you guys. Oh, this looks good. Oh, it's light too. Man, put this out of here. Go look at it in the light. Yeah, that's hot. Oh, it's gonna look so good on here. Yeah. I think we made the right choice, boys. So let's get this wheel back in the box, I guess, over there. Let's get the wheel back in the box, and then we're gonna go ahead and head over to the shop and get these things put on and wrapped in their new tires. Yeah, good. How you doing? Yeah, we're just, he's showing me tires that we're putting on. Oh, these are it right here?
This is the one we're gonna put today on the brand new wheels.
Oh, well, so tell me a little about these tires, man. I've never even seen these before. These are,
We have been using
they're
it
gorgeous.
for a little bit, like for a couple months ago.
Yeah.
We get it from Japan. A friend of mine is the one who have the contract with them.
So you said the guy that comes get these, he drifts with them, right? They're pretty good for drifting?
Yes, sir.
So what would you say, like, well, so what are they about each for these tires right here, would you say?
It's about like the price on.
Yeah, the price on them.
The price on them is like 240, 249 for each one.
Okay.
But you can find it on his page for a little bit cheaper than that.
Okay.
All right.
But they come here, you get them hooked up, and you can get these tires from no problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
If they're local here in Houston.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you want to go ahead and plug the Instagram? I'll put it right here for you guys. What's the Instagram?
Central Tires Street.
Oh, okay, pretty simple. They'll be able to figure that out. No problem. Cool. So that's what we're putting on the Conce wheels, guys. Let's get him out of the car, and we'll see him work his magic, because he's always pretty good about not scratching my wheels, and we all know that's a big deal with him. So let's do it. So what size did we go with on these, man? What size?
265, 35, 18.
Okay, yeah, nice meaty setup. Perfect fit for this size wheel. I've been seeing on the website a lot of the guys are running 245 or 40s. Not the proper size for this rim. 265, 275 is a really good square tire setup. And you guys know I love the meat like I have on the E46 and like I have on the E36. I like meaty tires. So this is going to be a good setup. You guys can see this tread depth here. This will be perfect for autocross and MSR when we can get out there. But yeah, we're going to do this for the rest of the wheels. Wow, that was loud. And yeah, we'll get the rest of the wheels done and maybe we'll get them mounted. Don't know. We might have to change up some of the alignment specs, but no, we'll see how far we get today. It's 3:30, man. What was your name again?
Samuel.
Samuel, you want to go ahead and plug your Instagram too, dude?
For sure. My name is
follow me on Instagram, Samuel Boomin, without a G at the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they can come. You can come here to Samuel as well. He'll hook you up, and just tell him you came from the Beamer Dude channel. And ooh.
And then you always have to save the manuals.
Oh, absolutely.
Go ahead and open it.
So you're a 6-speed?
Yes.
What? They make these in 6-speed? Oh man. Oh yeah. So that's what became the C. That's what became the C. None of that PDK, DCT, auto. Even though the autos are good. As you guys can see, it's pretty hot in here, but we've been here for about an hour and he's been working that side off, trying to get these wheels done. At the same time, he's running a business, so we're not going to stay, we're not going to get in his way too much, but I really got to roll one of these wheels over there. I know you guys are dying to see how it looks. I mean, I'm killing you guys with cinematics and stuff, so I apologize, but I am kind of having fun with this because I am excited. So we're going to roll one of these wheels over there next to the car and see how it goes. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're going to steal one. He's not done with it. He's still working on it. Let's see. Yeah. I'm really trying to get this sweat. Yeah. Woo. You guys, check the fitment. I really hope that these fenders with this current setup can suck those in. If not, we can adjust it, but I just got the car aligned and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to realign it after this, but look at that. What do you think, man? saw Henry put the wheels on the car. It came out excellent. Hope you guys like the way the car looks. Again, we're going to be doing a lot more content with this car. Since this car has kind of been in the back burner, I really feel like I've been neglecting it, and that's going to change real soon. So I do plan on doing some track days, some autocrossing, some more events with this car. If you guys have any suggestions, go down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think we should be doing with the car, because I really don't know, and I'm fairly new to the E46M, and I know a lot of you guys know a lot about it. So before we get finished with this video, we're going to go ahead and thank Henry, thank Central Tire for letting us come here and providing us with these tires, because we wouldn't have any wheels on the car right now if it wasn't for the shop. So we're gonna go thank him, and we're gonna do a lot more with them and probably do a commercial for them down the road to kind of show our appreciation. So let's go find Henry somewhere around the shop. All right, here he is, the man of the hour. Let's catch him before he gets back to work. Henry, sir, thank you, man.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Hey, man, it's a pleasure. So please go check out his shop. I'll leave all his information down in the description. He gives some of the best deals in town. He gives the greatest deals on takeoff tires. If you don't know what that is, look it up. Educate yourself. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Be my new channel, guys. And as always, peace out. And guys, speak, guys.